for joining me for another phonics session. We're going to be learning another new sound today, but first of all, let's go through the sounds that we've been learning so far. Call out those sounds. A, E, I, O, oo. Well done. Now today's new sound is a little bit tricky. First of all, let's remind us of the oo sound. The oo sound is made of an O and an O, and we say oo oo poo at the zoo. Today's sound is also made of an O and another O. I've drawn a pair of eyes in mine to help us remember that it is a different sound from this one. Let's have a little look at that picture to help us work out the sound. Here is a picture of a girl and her mum, and she's looking at a book. The word look and book both have the up sound in. So we say, look at a book. Look at a book. Look at a book. Well done. So when we see the picture with the eyes, we remember that it is the up sound. Here is the oo, here is the up. When we look at words, they won't have eyes in, they will just have the o and the op sound. So you need to work out whether it's an oo sound you need or an up sound you need. It's a little bit tricky, but I'm sure you will get used to it because you're very clever. Let's put that back up there to help us. So today's sound is O. O. We're now going to use our up sound in some words. I'm going to tell you some sounds. I want you to blend those sounds together to read the word. And all of our sounds are made with the up sound. First of all, get yourself 3 fret fingers. Your first word today that we'll do together is the word book. Book. Well done. Could you hear that up sound in the middle? Book. The next one you're going to do by yourself. You need to keep your 3 fret fingers, and your word is look. Look. Well done if you got that right. Look. The next one also needs 3 fret fingers. It's another one with our up sound. The word is g or d. Good. Well done. And the last one, another 3 fret fingers. Sh or k. What's the word? Shook. Well done. All of those words have the up sound in the middle. And the up sound, remember, is made of an O and another O. Let's have a look at some words. See if you can read them with me. Let's spread them out. B, O, k. Book. G, O, d. Good. L, O, k. Look. T, O, k. Took. O, k. Hook. Sh, O, k. Shook. Well done. Now if you're not sure whether it's an up sound or an oo sound, try them both. Let's have a go at reading this word with both sounds. Sh, oo, k. Shook. Shook doesn't sound like a real word, so let's try our up sound. Sh or k. Shook. That sounds better. So if you don't know if it's an oo sound or an up sound, try both and see what sounds right. Let's go through those words again. Book, good, look, took, hook and shook. I nearly dropped all my words then. Well done. Before we move on to reading, let's have another little look at our tricky red words. Now remember, you can't thread the red, you just have to learn it. Let's have a look at this one first. She, of, go, to, he, no, back to the start, she. Keep practicing those at home and you will get better and better at reading them and writing them. Now, let's move on to reading some sentences. Some of my words have our new sounding. Look out for them. Let's read this first sentence together. We start with a tricky red word, I. Will. I will. Now my next word has our new ut sound. Are you ready? Or k. Look. I will look. At. I will look at. This. I will look at this. There's my ut sound again. B or k. Book. I will look at this book. I will look at this book. I bet you've been looking at lots of books at home, haven't you? Let's move on to our next sentence. We've got another ut sound to look out for. Let's have a go at reading it together. Tricky red word. I. Can. I can. Or hook. I can hook a. I can hook a big. I can hook a big red fish. I can hook a big red fish. If you go fishing with a fishing rod, you need to put a hook at the end to catch your fish. This person has caught a big red fish. Lovely. Let's have a little go now at writing. You're very good at reading. Let's see your writing. Now, if you've got a pen and paper at home, you can join in with me. If not, have a practice later on. Now, the first sentence we're going to write is, I am good at running. Let's read this again. I am good at running. Your turn. I am good at running. I am good at running. I am good at running. I need 5 words. And my first word is I. Let's write it down together. We come down, across at the top, across at the bottom. I. I am good at running. My next word, I am. Don't forget your finger spaces. Am. Sound it out. Am. I am good. My next word is good. I am good. Finger space. Now I need my new up sound. Up, up, look at a book. Our word is good. Call out those sounds for me. G, O. This is the up sound that we need. It is made of an O and another O. G, O, D. I am good at running. I am good at. At is my next word. I haven't got space here, so I'm going to go on to my next line. At. A. T. At. I am good at running. Now running is a long word. We're going to split it up. Run-ing. I get my finger space. First of all, let's spell the start of the word run. R, or, run-ing. I need another I-ing. So we've split up the word. We've got run-ing. Running. I am good at running. What have I missed from the end of my sentence? A full stop. Let's read it back. I am good at running. And well done if you remembered my up, up sound in the word good. Let's move on to our last sentence for today. This sentence is, I will look at a book. 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 We need 6 words. Are you ready? I will look at a book. What's my first word? I. I will. How do we spell the word will? Call it out. W. I. Oo. And we have to remember it is 2 O's together. W, I, oo, will. I will. I will look at a book. I will look. Look is my next word. I get my finger space. How do we spell the word look? O. Here's my up sound, an O and another O. O, k. And it's a kangaroo. I will look at a t. I will look at a, nice and easy, a. I will look at a book. Well done. Finger space. 3 thread fingers. How do I spell the word book? B-O-K. Book. B-O. An R and an R for the special friends. B-O-K. And it's another kangaroo. I will look at a book. Book. Full stop. I will look at a book. That's 2 more sentences that you've written today with me, boys and girls. Well done. Now, while you're at home, keep practicing our up sound as well as all the ones that we've learned previously. And I'd love to see some more of your learning at home. Any writing that you're doing, any reading that you're doing, or just practicing your spellings. Keep practicing, boys and girls. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.